to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set auto logout feature in Ace Crypto application. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open Ace application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, you will see three lines which is at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Then, at the second last option, you will find Settings tab. Click on the Settings tab and scroll down a little bit. You can see Auto Log Off After feature there. Click on it and you can set number of hours from here. You can also set it to the minutes, seconds and days. After selecting your desired time, you need to click on Save button. So, your account will be logged out automatically after 1 day here. If it chooses an hour, it will be logged out after 1 hour. If you keep on Disable option and click on Save, your account won't be logged out after any amount of time. So that is how you can set auto log off feature in Ace Crypto application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.